In this video, you will learn how to get a virtual card in Revolut. First, open the Revolut app. Launch the app and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the card section. Tap on the cards tab located at the bottom of the screen. Add a new card. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. Select virtual cards. Choose virtual from the options presented. Choose a card type. You can choose between a disposable virtual card, which is only for one-time purchases only, or a multi-use virtual card for recurring payments and subscriptions. Customize your card. Select a colour for your card and enter its name. Create a card. Tap Get a virtual card for free to generate your card instantly. Access your card details. Your new virtual card will appear in the card section. Tap on it to view the 16-digit card number and the CVV and expiration date. Start using your card. Use these details from the online purchase to add your card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless payments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.